Welcome to Wacker Neuson University. My name is John Freilich. Today we're going to be discussing how to correctly size an attachment for your excavator. This video is part of a series explaining the importance of correctly sizing an attachment for your machine. An excavator is like a Swiss Army knife. It is found in many different applications and mated to many different types of attachments. Having the correct size attachment can increase performance and productivity. Consequently, having an incorrect size attachment can reduce performance and efficiencies. A common question you may receive for this machine is, what hydraulic attachment will fit this size excavator? There are many different factors to consider when sizing an attachment to an excavator. The most important ones are understanding the hydraulic flow rate, operating pressure, and class size for your excavator. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a hydraulic flow test and pressure test to this ET42 to correctly size an attachment. The Wacker Neuson E19 platform includes the ET42, EZ50, and ET58. These three excavators share similar hydraulic and electrical components, however have different hydraulic flow rates and operating pressures. You can locate your machine-specific flow rates and operating pressures in your operator's manual. Specs printed in the manual are an average calculation of flow rates and pressures. This is why I'm going to demonstrate why we need to perform a hydraulic flow test and pressure test for your excavator. The E19 excavators are equipped with a manual changeover valve between excavator mode and hammer mode. In this test, we're going to be changing the valve to hammer mode. Connect the flow meter to your auxiliary ports on the dipper stick. The hydraulic flow meter can be purchased through Wacker Neuson. Flow rates should be recorded at minimum engine RPM and a second measurement at maximum engine RPM. The engine must be warmed up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Verify with the jog dial, hydraulic flow rate is set to 100%. Start the engine, lower the left arm bar, set the engine RPMs to minimum. Using the left joystick, press the hammer button. Record the flow rate from minimum engine RPM. Increase your engine RPMs to maximum. On the left joystick, press the hammer button. Record your flow rate for maximum engine RPM. After you've tested the flow rate, next we're going to test pressure. Connect the pressure gauge to the pressure test port. Auxiliary pressure will be tested at minimum engine RPM and maximum engine RPM. Just as the flow test, the engine must be warmed up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Verify with the jog dial, flow rate is set to 100%. Start the engine, lower the left arm bar, set your engine RPMs to minimum. Using the left joystick, press the hammer button. Record the operating pressure at minimum engine RPMs. Using the jog dial, increase the engine RPMs to maximum. Using the left joystick, press the hammer button. Record your operating pressure at maximum engine RPM. Now that you know the flow rate and operating pressure of your machine, you can use that information and compare it to the attachment recommendation for flow and pressure. Thanks for watching. For more information about your Wacker Neuson excavators, contact your dealer or visit the Wacker Neuson University.